In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your free Wix domain. If you're using Wix on a free plan, your site lives on a Wix domain with a customizable ending, often called the subdirectory or site address. Changing that part is quick, and it can make your link cleaner, easier to share, and more on-brand. Start by opening your site's dashboard. This is the main control center for everything related to your site, and it's where you'll find the settings you need. On the left-hand side, look for the option labeled Settings. Click that to open your site-wide configuration panel. Inside Settings, go to Website Settings. This is where Wix keeps the essential details for your site, including the field that controls your public site address. In this section, you'll see the site URL address. This is the part you're here to adjust. If your site is on a free plan, you can change only the subdirectory of your Wix domain, not the main Wix domain itself. In simple terms, you're editing the tail end of the link, the part that identifies your specific site on Wix. This is perfect for making the URL more memorable or better aligned with your brand or project. Keep it short, clear, and relevant. Stick to letters, numbers, and hyphens, and avoid special characters or overly long phrases. A concise, readable address looks more professional and is easier for visitors to type and remember. As you update the site address, think about consistency. If your site name, logo, and URL all match, users are less likely to get confused. Also, consider future growth. Choose something that will still make sense if your content expands or your project evolves. Once you've entered the new address in the site URL field, review it carefully. This is what you'll share on social media, in emails, and anywhere else people will find your site. After you make the change, give it a moment to take effect. Sometimes browsers or search engines take a little time to recognize updates. If you've shared the old link before, remember that it may no longer lead to your site, so plan to share the updated link with your audience. That's all there is to it. To recap, go to your site's dashboard, click Settings on the left, head into Website Settings, and change the site URL address. On a free plan, you're updating the subdirectory of your Wix domain. Make it clean, make it clear, and you're done.